Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a new profile for your PlayStation Edge controller. So this is sweet. So if you hold down this button just below the thumbstick, this will open up this little menu. So you got this little button right here, you just hold this down. And this will open up this little menu where you can switch between all your different profiles. So you can go from, well, I got FPS, Call of Duty, Kingdom Come Deliverance. So I just hold this down and then I press Options. And it brings me directly to the screen where I can customize my profiles. Then we can go to settings, go down to accessories, go to where it says DualSense Edge, go to custom profile. Now we can create them under here. So go to create a custom profile on the top and just name it whatever you want. Usually I just go by games. So I'm playing Gears of War right now, so I could do like Gears or something like that. Press R2 and go to OK. And then we can go to the custom button assignments. Usually I go to the bottom and I just do like X on one side and O on the other. So let's just do X here, O over here for sliding and jumping. And then we can go to apply. In Call of Duty, I like to do a little bit more. I put the weapon swap to R3. Then we got the stick sensitivity. I like going to R3. And for Gears of War, I'll put on for my option right here. I can just set this to quick. And then I can go on down. I got the dead zone slider. I'll just keep this at 0. And then I can go back, do the trigger effects. And I'm just going to apply this here. Then vibrations, turn these off. And then I'm good to go. I can back out. And you can see I can swap this to the main menu now. I can swap it to this profile. Or I can just leave it under assigned. But it's very easy to create custom profiles and switch in between them. Now I can go to Call of Duty one, Kingdom Come, Call of Duty FPS. I can look at this, see what I have swapped around. So just look at this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.